But you do got to be consistent. You do have to have a system. You do have to have, you got to know what you're doing. What are your tools? So there, I will open it up. I talked way longer than I was supposed to talk here, but let us open it up here because, look, I gave you some of my things there, what I do for the multiple exposure. You can ask any question you want, but I really would love, because I got my pen and paper and I'm ready to go here. I want to know what you guys are doing as multiple exposures. I want to know what you guys do. What's your go-to? What's your first thing, your second thing? Okay, you go, oh, Team Pinnacle. Okay, after the Team Pinnacle at Daily Zoom. What's your go-to? What's your second? What's your third? What's your fourth? What's your fifth? What's your sixth? What's your seventh? I got my pen ready. Let's open it up. Who's first? We got some leaders here too, so I want to hear some of the leaders. You can ask questions too, but I'm looking to hear from some leaders here too. It doesn't have to be about
Michael Lee has his hand raised.
Michael.